I'm like a guy that only does basically lead code, and the questions were actually quite silly in my opinion. Like, well, just implement something so simple. But in terms of like logically, right, it seems simple, but I actually did quite bad. Like it was just some implement a unique point or something, and I did really bad. Like I didn't know what was deleting a constructor, like for example, right?
Okay. What you just heard was a caller that previously called into my show complaining about the fact that he wasn't asked LeetCode-like questions by a top quantitative trading firm and instead was asked to implement something that he would actually be using on a day-to-day basis that is an integral part of C++. I started asking future callers who knew C++ or claimed that they did to implement unique pointer live with me, and this is what happened.
So we need to do template. So any pointer, any type of a pointer, we say it's class, what it is, like unique pointer.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need a member, which is just based on, t pointer, like pointer. Okay, now we need constructor. So we're not going to do like make unique, we're just going to accept, I guess, row pointer from constructor, and that's it. Okay, so let's just take a pointer. So what kind of pointer should it be? Well, it should be key pointer, like pointer, and we just kind of, we will just get it.
So if I can give you one piece of advice so far, you're doing good so far,
Okay.
but I prefer to have member variables with the underscores. I don't know, maybe...
Is this fine?
That's fine, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And argument we can make simple. Okay, I'm not totally actually sure how exactly. Maybe we should do it if we call new in like inside constructor.
Don't worry about that level of detail. Just pass the raw pointer.
Okay, we got the pointer, and let's just have destructor to kill it on scope. And we're just going to have basically delete. I don't know how to correctly delete like array, because well, array should be this, right?
Don't worry about the array implementation.
Okay, let's not worry about that. Okay, now we need assignment.
Before we get there, let's pause for a sec. I think you're missing access modifiers.
Access modifiers? Yeah, true. Actually, you're right. This should be public.
Right. Okay.
Okay. What else do we need? Well, it should be unique, so we can't copy. So if something is like const t, how do we say? Well, let's just say other, and we say delete. Yeah.
Are you sure?
So just delete.
Think about that again.
It's wrong copy constructor, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Still incorrect. What do you need to delete? A copy constructor for what?
Oh yeah, you're right. It should be a unique pointer, another unique pointer. Unique pointer of type T. This way, right?
Yes, but you're also a little too verbose. You don't need to do the type T when the unique pointer is already in that class. You can just say unique pointer.
All right, yeah, okay, fine.
What else do you need to delete?
So we need to delete a copy assignment operator.
Yeah.
So it's going to be like, what's it? Should be like this, I suppose. Well, maybe it's not actually important. Well, equals. And we say, yeah, it's this, right? Actually, it needs another new pointer.
Yeah. Now let me ask you
Yes,
this.
we
Let me
believe
ask you
it.
this question first, okay? And let me ask you a question.
Mhm.
So this is fine. Let me first ask you this. So what is a function signature?
Function signature, well, it's basically its declaration, what its return type, what its arguments.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what are the three components of a function signature? There's three.
Three components of a function
You
signature.
kind of named some
Actually,
of
I
them.
never thought about this. So I said its return type, its arguments, and what's the third thing? I don't know what's the third thing.
Okay, return type isn't included though.
Is what?
It's not included in a
It's
function
include?
signature.
It's not? I mean, really?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I actually I don't know. It's interesting. I never thought about
So
this question.
the number of arguments, the
Okay.
type of the
Oh,
arguments,
okay.
and the function's name. So
Is this?
if I was to
Well,
do,
yeah, actually, yeah.
so if I was to do this, this is totally valid. I can still do this, and it's the same.
Mhm.
I've actually seen this before, and there was another dev that commented like, "Oh, this should be unique pointer ampersand." But the other dev that wrote the void was cracked because he knew that the return type is not included, and then the guy that commented that kind of looked foolish. But only the cracked devs knew
I
he looked
mean,
foolish. But
yeah.
it's still probably
I mean,
better
I
to do
thought
it
about
this
it.
way. Anyways, yes, that was
It's
just
just
a side
usually,
tangent. You can continue.
yeah. Okay, so I'm finishing the thing, right?
Yeah.
What else do we need?
So,
we,
wait, let me pause first. Have you heard of what the rule of five is?
yes.
What is it?
Rule of five is, well, let's start from rule of three. Rule of three is if you have copy constructor custom, like user defined copy constructor or copy assignment or destructor, you implement like all three.
Yeah.
And rule of five is the same but with move.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, what does that mean you now have to implement?
Well, I implemented copy constructor and copy assignment. So I think I did rule of three, really. That's it, right?
But you also define the destructor.
Yes.
So you need to when you define the destructor, what that's telling the reader is that there is a resource that is unmanaged by the compiler that needs to be managed by you. So if you're going to write a destructor, you should probably write the move assignment and move. Move assignment operators.
Okay, let's do that.
Move constructor.
Okay, constructor. Let's put constructor like here. And we need like unique pointer reference, and we do this thing. We do we say that pointer is equal to other pointer, and we say that other pointer is null pointer. So yeah, this is the move.
Okay. Right? But you're missing a check.
Whether it's I think if other equals to this, we just return. Typos the thing.
You're doing something a little strange. This is already a pointer. I mean, right?
Right. So, no, it's not the point. Actually, wait, hold on.
What is this?
You're right. You're right. Yeah, it should be actually this thing.
I wouldn't even do that. I think you're now taking it a step too far. So
we need. Okay, I see what you want.
Yeah. Okay, that's right.
So we just return if we trying to kind of move ourselves. Yeah. And that's it.
I don't see the word return here, so I'm just gonna write return. For me, it was kind of weird.
Yeah, I have it. It's just, I guess it just glitched.
Yeah, I don't have the ending.
Yeah, now it's glitched for me.
Okay. Now you can do this
Yeah,
with
it's-
something called split exchange, but we'll skip the formalities here for a sec.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, now what's the other one you need to do?
So what have we done? We done move constructor, and now we need move assignment.
My sister's literally in chat telling me that it's Hanukkah time to go because I have guests over right now, but I need to finish the stream. The stream's more important,
all right.
Adi. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, why are you deleting? Why are you
deleting-
deleting move assignments?
Why am I deleting move assignment?
Yeah.
I shouldn't do that. I don't know.
Yeah, you should be
5?
doing that.
I should.
You should not. Why did you decide to do that? Why should you be able to move construct and not move assign?
Why shouldn't I do move assignment? I don't know. Honestly.
Because this should be a movable type, right?
Yeah.
So you should implement both move assignment and move constructor. You already did move constructor.
Oh, why am I doing? Yeah. Never mind. I don't know what I did. Okay, we do the same thing, basically, just as constructor. So if yeah, just copy. Yeah. Should probably return this. Oh yeah, you're right. Actually, I just looked in the chat. Well, I shouldn't have done this.
Yeah, don't
I'm
read
sorry.
chat. Don't read chat, dude. Delete
Yeah,
chat.
yeah.
Delete the stream.
I just opened the stream to see what you do. Actually, this.
You're missing another return though. Wait. See. Wait. Okay. Because you read chat, you screwed yourself up.
Yeah, this doesn't happen. We don't need this, and we need this. Okay, it should be fine now.
Let me refresh my browser, because... Wait, on line 9... okay, I see it now. Yeah, looks good. Okay, what I would do in theory is I would just say, if other is not equal to this is what I would do if I were you. This is like where the senior dev within me comes out. So,
not do early return.
yeah, because you don't need to. Just do this.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I just got used to doing early returns every day.
I did too, and I actually like it in some cases, but here I prefer this. Okay. This makes sense to me so far. Okay. Oh, now I want you... Okay, I want you to add a default constructor for unique pointer. What would you do in that case?
Yeah. Default, I mean, we just do this thing. Unique. Default constructor. Well, that's default constructor, but should we even have this default? No, we probably shouldn't, right? We should delete it.
Wait,
Also,
why would you delete it? Why can't you have an why can't you have an empty unique pointer?
Actually, yeah, we can just move something in. Yeah. Default. So it's default.
So
I guess, yeah.
I think this is okay because effectively here, this effectively initializes it to 0. I think.
Yeah, I
actually, to be safe, I always do null pointer. Because I prefer that
empty
over
brackets
0.
always null.
Okay. I always make a null pointer.
All right. Yeah, I saw that.
So yeah, go ahead and do that.
No pointer, yes. So no pointer.
Okay, now I want you to add a couple of methods that unique pointer has. What sort of methods might unique pointer have?
As far as I remember, I never used them, but I think it has method that just gets the raw pointer. So it
Okay, so
should
what is
be
that called?
I don't remember. Gets maybe. No, I don't remember.
It's called get.
Yeah. Okay. Let's have get. So get. It's just gonna
Yeah.
have
I'm pretty sure this would have been okay as null. That would have been set to null pointer, but yeah, I just want to be explicit.
We also probably need another get that does this. I don't know. Maybe it's not necessary. Like this thing.
I actually, there's no need to do this one because the one that doesn't have a const member function level const, because you don't. This is not guaranteed. The one you already have on line 40 is totally fine. The one that just does const.
I mean,
whatever.
something can accept. Well, actually, yeah, it's probably well, yeah.
So all I would change is I would just remove this const here. Now, I don't like this API.
Right.
I don't like this getter API.
Okay.
Like returning the pointer, because you're effectively relinquishing encapsulation. You're saying, I'm managing this pointer, but here, you have a look at what it is, and you can even call delete on it outside unique pointer. Then you have the double delete problem. But I'm just saying this is how this is how the STL would probably implement it. So, okay, there's another one called release. What does release do?
Release, well, it sounds like it will actually destroy the resource.
There's release and there's reset. Do you know the difference?
No, I don't know.
Okay, you can look it up. That's fine. So what I want you to do is take 10 seconds to look it up.
Releases the ownership of the managed object, if any. Returns null pointer after call. Oh. Yeah, so release actually deletes the thing and sets the pointer to null.
Mm-hmm.
And I need to Google another one?
Yeah, and then let's do that, then you can do reset. So how would you implement release?
Okay, let's do that. Release. So we just do this. We need to call delete on m pointer and set m pointer to null.
Yep.
And that's it.
Yep. Are you missing the end brackets? I never see them. It might be a bug.
It's a bug. I have them, but
okay.
Yeah. So, and reset, right?
Yeah.
Reset replaces the managed object. Pointer new object and
do I have a Discord?
Okay.
I do. It's for patron only.
Okay, I just implement this also, right?
Where are you implementing it? Oh, okay.
So we need another unique point. Actually, it should accept the resource.
Right.
So reset, well, we call release, and we just take it. Yeah.
Okay.
That's.
I like how you reused code there. That's a good practice.
Well, I think you kind of answered already. So I just wanted to know whether I actually good or not at doing at what pace I'm doing.
Yeah, for somebody
learning basically.
For somebody self-taught, you're probably better than most, I would say, graduates. Right. When it comes to this slice of your knowledge. I don't know what your networking knowledge is, I don't know what your operating systems knowledge is, but for this slice of your C++ knowledge, which I think a lot of people don't have because they focus on Leetcode all the time, I think you're doing pretty well.
Okay.
That's somebody that's self-taught, that just joined the stream that said, hey, I want to just kind of like see what's up. I just joined. I don't even know who you are. Who the hell are you? And he was able to figure out how to implement unique pointer way better than anybody else who has like a established degree from an accredited university. And that just goes to show you the importance of self-study, dedication, passion, motivation. The last video that premiered, guys, on my channel was a guy that was a Leetcoder with a degree, and they effectively asked him in an interview, a top quant firm asked him in an interview, implement unique pointer. After he said, unique pointer is my favorite feature. Okay, implement it. Self-destruct. Okay? And this guy was able to do it by just learning the fundamentals, like what's rule of 5, what's a destructor. Oh, okay, let me read it. I don't know what the exact API for reset. Can I Google it for 30 seconds and figure it out? Oh, okay, I Googled it. Oh, I just learned something. Now let me take what I learned and implement it and communicate to you what it's doing. That's what people are looking for in a junior. You don't need to know everything, but you need to have the fundamental building blocks, and for what you don't know, you can learn it in 30 seconds and implement it. And I guarantee you that this guy, he implemented reset on unique pointer, for example. He's never going to forget how it's implemented because he's that type of guy. There are other people that sit in class, they listen to professors, they do tests, they learn something. I had a guy said, oh, I learned this last semester, but I forgot. How do you learn what TCP is last semester and you forget? You didn't learn what it was last semester. You heard what it was, but you didn't learn what it was, if that makes sense.